They might have an interpretation. I want to know. I'm curious to know. But to me, from experience of playing and coaching,
Finds a wide open Sean Argente. Mintis. Bumihit si Serrano. The hook shot is good with his offhand.
as their strong hand, the first guy that comes to my mind, my former teammate still playing, even at a very advanced age, Reynel Hugnatan. I don't know if you know him.
27% from the field.
11 for
LGR.
15.
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Napulot na naman ni Kuya Jay. He puts in 2 more.
And then the last one, and ang similarity pa nun, si Jay Collado parehas.
Argente, pabandang tira. Pasok yan. Lumabas si Argente. Supply. Reyes nakuha yung rebound. Alanes ahead. Lays it in for 2. Inside. Apolonio Mintis. Alanes nangunguna na naman. Lefty finish on the right side this time.
I disagree even if Ken is suspended for disagreeing. For agreeing of my disagreement.
Valenzuela has yet to really catch up here. Pabandang tira. Pasok yan for Shaq Alanes.
He was fouled too.
Rising up the defense of Jay Collado. Blocked from behind by CJ Alatiga. Valenzuela on the run.
Stop and pop
Alanes, pocket from 3.
on the screen and slip.
Alanes, he is feeling it. And why not? 4-point play coming up. Running start for Obuyes. Jello attacks. No whistle. Miranda nakalusot kay Olegario. Ajem coast to coast for the layup.
Your eyes can be deceiving, and Miranda, such a good passer and using his eyes perfectly.
No-scored pass, Alanes. Sumalaksak. Pasa sa ilalim. Justin Alano, the hook shot. Gets the friendly bounce. Cut. Tolentino, up fake. Blocked by Destacamento.
The league leader in swats.
One-hander. Chance to take the lead. Olegario gets away and scores. On 2 fast break. Ajem sidestep. No whistle.
That was a block.
Alatiga gets away from Vince Tolentino.